Okay, the equation of a line. So that is our topic for today. And then we are going to focus only on the basic one, which is on the slope-intercept form, because all other equations of the line are from this slope-intercept form, the form which is y equals mx plus b, wherein m is your slope and b is your y-intercept. So for example, if we're asked to write the equation of the line with slope m equals 5 and y-intercept which is equal to -3. So from y equals mx plus b, then we are going to substitute or replace m and b. So we have y equals 5x plus -3, or that is simply y equals 5x minus 3. So very easy. Okay, next one is we're asked to write the equation of the line which passes through -2, 7 and slope is given which is equal to 3. So this time we're given a point wherein the line passes through and the slope. So unlike in the previous example that we're given the y-intercept, this time we're given the point in which the line passes through and the slope. So still again, we can use the form y equals mx plus b. So we replace y and x from what is given. So y is 7 and slope m is 3. So that is 7 equals 3x plus b. Substituting x with -2 from the given. So what we have is 7 equals 3 times -2 plus b. Simplifying, we have 7 equals -6 plus b, or 7 plus 6 equals b, and b equals 13. Then from the y equals mx plus b, we have y equals 3x plus 13. Okay, so next example is we're given the 2 points in which the line passes through, and we're going to write the equation of the line. So in this case, since we are not given the m, we are going to calculate for the m, the slope. So from the formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you will have 7 minus 2 over 5 minus -1. So that is 5 over 6. That's our slope. Then to the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Okay. Then we solve for the b. Okay, so we can use any point, any of the y in either -1, 2, or 5, 7. In this case, we use the y equals 2. So we replace it in the y equals mx plus b. So you have 2 equals -5, 6 plus b. So we have b equals 2 plus 5 over 6. Simplifying that, we have b equals 17 over 6. Then to the equation, or to the formula, to the equation in the form of slope-intercept, y equals mx plus b. So we have y equals 5 over 6x plus 17 over 6. Okay, so we only replace the m and the b in the y equals mx plus b. So it's just so easy. Now, if we have the horizontal and the vertical lines, so if a is a constant, the vertical line through AB has equation x equals a. Okay, that is for the vertical line. Then for the horizontal line, you have, if b is a constant, the horizontal line through AB has the equation y equals b, and that is our uh, point, uh, illustration. So now we're asked to find or write the equation of the line through 8, -2, and the slope is 0. So when the slope is 0, remember our previous lesson, it means it is a horizontal line. And therefore, y is equal to 2. So that's it. That is the equation of the line, the horizontal line. That is y equals -2. Then we're going to find the slope and the y-intercept of 2x minus 5y equals 1. So we solve for y, then we'll be able to read it from the answer. Okay, so you have the equation 2x minus 5y equals 1, and then you have 2x minus 1 equals 5y. Okay, so we're looking for the y. Okay, so that we can have it in the form y equals mx plus b. So we divide all the terms by 5, so we can have y on the other side. What is left is already the y. So you have y equals 2 over 5x minus 1/5, wherein, remember, our m is the coefficient of x, so our slope is 2/5, and our y-intercept is -1/5. Okay, now on the next example is we're asked to write the equation of the line through 5, 7, and that is parallel to 2x minus 5y equals 15. So when we say parallel, that means to say that their slopes are equal. Okay, so we need to find for that equation of the line passing through this point, which is parallel to this line 2x minus 5y equals 15. So we need to find for the slope using the line, the equation of the line 2x minus 5y equals 15. So we have 2x minus 15 equals 5y, or yeah, you can also have -5y equals 15 minus 2x. You just get the same answer. Since we're looking for the y, we're going to make y has coefficient of 1, so that it's going to be in the form y equals mx plus b. So we divide all terms by 5. So what we have is y equals 2/5 x minus 3. And so therefore our slope is 2/5. Okay, so the slope is 2/5. So we already know the slope, 2/5, and a 0.57. So therefore, from the form y equals mx plus b, we're going to substitute it there. So we have 7 is our y equals 2/5 times 5, so that we could find the y-intercept b. So that we have b equals, or you have 2 plus b equals 7, or you have b equals to 5. So therefore, our equation would be y equals 2/5 x plus 5. Now we will write the equation of the line through 5, 7 parallel to this one. So if we're going to draw it, okay, so you have this line 2x minus 5y equals 15. Then you have y equals 2/5 x minus 3. Okay, so getting the intercepts, joining the point. So that is the first one, the points that I've shown is for the equation 2x minus 5y equals 15. Then we have 250x plus 5 if we are going to simplify that. Then we have the other one, 2/5 x minus 3. So that is the graph. Then we have this one, write the equation of the line for which passes through the point negative 8, 3 and is perpendicular to 2x minus 3y equals 10. So again, we need to find for the slope of the line 2x minus 3y equals 10. So I will have to transform it to y equals mx plus b. So you have 3y equals 2x minus 10, dividing all sides by 3. So you have y equals 2/3 x minus 10 over 3. So your slope is 2/3. Okay, so we know that they are perpendicular, so they are negative reciprocal. So it's the slope 2/3 of the line 2x minus 3y equals 10. Then the slope of the line passing through the point negative 8, 3 has the slope which is negative reciprocal to 2/3, which is equal to negative 3/2. Then we have the point negative 8, 3. So from the formula, substitute it. So we have to substitute it here. So you have 3 equals negative 3/2 times negative 8 plus b. So your b is equal to negative 9. So our answer would be y equals negative 3/2 x minus 9. That is the equation of the line passing through the point negative 8, 3, which is perpendicular to 2x minus 3y equals 10. Okay, so that's how it is being drawn. Okay, so the next line is drawn and they are perpendicular. So you may substitute points if you want to graph, then show that they are perpendicular. Okay, but then for the sake of, for the benefit of time, we don't need to show this one as long as we have known that their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. And